Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another video on this channel. First, I need to say thank you to the owner of the car because accept to make this video. In this video you will see a BMW E30 static on Earhart's ZW3 rims tuning project. You will see owner try to install just OEM parts to keep clean and simple and succeed. In the end has an amazing rims, has a clean look and only with OEM parts. Do you like this simple look or something extra on a car in 2020? You will see all the change through the video. Please tell me in comment section below what do you think about this car.
I'm holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it. Don't let me repeat it.
Remember, all these videos on this channel are made only in collaboration with the car owner and only with his approval. So if you have a project with your car and you want to show that project here on this channel, you will find in the description all you need to contact me.
So can you? For too long about the mistakes, while I resent, I learned to hate. Forgot your names. Fear the struggle to follow on. Need to focus to prove you're wrong. I'm not wrong. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. I know I'm holding on to this, holding on. Don't let me repeat it.
Leave in comment section below what car do you want to see next video. I will try to make that video. After you done that, make sure to subscribe and turn notification on. In this way you don't miss when I upload your requested car. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn notification on to see more videos like this. I'll be happy to know if these videos inspire you for your car project. Bye bye and see you next time.